Hey, it's Aiden, Chandler, and the Walrus back here at Duck Pond again.
Duck Pond?
Sorry, Grandma's Pond. Getting some bites, but haven't caught anything yet.
We're getting a ton of bites.
And we'll let you know when we catch something. It's a beautiful day in Indiana. It's about 50 degrees. Sun shining. Catch you in a few. Chandler, successful.
Tiny.
Yeah. Ooh, look at that big guy.
I might throw it back.
Well, no, we're going to be stocking Caleb's pond.
Oh, yeah.
So go ahead and put him in the bucket so we can put him in Caleb's pond.
It's all the way over there. Why
Yeah, it's over there.
Didn't you bring it over here?
I'll bring it over. Aiden, you keep trying. Look at those Muscovy ducks over there.
I didn't take your spot. I tried beside it.
Aiden's got one now. Nice work. Let's get him off there and in the bucket for Caleb.
Alright. You got pliers?
Here come the ducks.
Oh!
Yeah, I caught one.
No! That's
actually a good size.
Yeah, we can actually eat that.
Nice.
That's bull.
I wasn't even paying attention. I caught that one.
That's bull. Get that out of here.
Got another one.
This thing is tiny.
Yeah, he can go in Caleb's pond.
Oh, Aiden, you're gonna bite. Dad, you're gonna bite.
I am.
Yeah, look.
Oh,
whoa.
Bye. Look at that little guy. That's one for the stocking pond. Woo. Number 3 for the walrus.
Oh, keeper.
Oh, nice one, Chan. Big bluegill. Very good.
Got you. So, Dad, let's check it out. Our third.
Yeah, you got me.
Yeah.
Aiden with another one.
That's 8.
Nice work.
Got flipping 8 now.
Aiden's got 2. Chandler and I each have 3. Nice work. Aiden pulling ahead. 3 for everybody.
No, you have 4.
Oh, yeah.
I
Forgot.
got a keeper.
Another double between me and Chan.
11.
His is, again, bigger than mine. Got another little guy. Trying to help our friend Caleb Papano stock their little pond they just made. So we're catching some bluegill to throw in there. Got me another one. I'm just slaying these little bluegill.
Jeez, you're doubling Aiden's score. Oh, Aiden.
Oh, just pulled it out of the mouth. Hey, Chan. Nice fish. Another one.
I know. Aiden. So it's, what's the score?
Don't know.
Oh, 5, 6, 3.
I think I have 6. Aiden got another one after a long wait.
Yep.
Woohoo! Alright, time to go.